Koken Free Turn Cross Wrench. Free turn cross wrench is a handle with free turn grip capable of high-speed turning. The shaft and crossbar are placed on the same axis. This design provides smooth turning without wavering, compared with ordinary cross wrenches that are made of welded bars. The crossbar is detachable for storage in small places. The crossbar has an oval shape to prevent rotation during use and also ensure there is no loss of torque. The evolved cross wrench, best suited for tire replacement, is Koken Free Turn Cross Wrench.